मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, अ वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग। आज हम एनसीईआरटी के एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करेंगे। ठीक है, हम न्यूट्रिशन इन प्लांट्स चैप्टर के फुल डिटेल वीडियो एक्सप्लेनेशंस वीडियो देख चुके हैं। देन आगे हम अभी क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करेंगे। तो हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाई डू ऑर्गेनिज्म नीड फूड? ठीक है, एंड और व्हाई डू ऑर्गेनिज्म टेक फूड? क्लियर? First question. So all living organisms require food to survive. If give them energy to perform various activities. All the activities such as playing, running, working, studies require energy. The various components present in our food such as carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamin, mineral provide energy to our body. These are important for growth and development of the body. So this is the first answer of your question. Clear? So next question is given in your NCERT book that distinguish between a parasites and saprotrophs. We already have studied that organism that grow on the body of organism, okay, that deprives the nutrients from it is known as parasites. First point. And in saprotrophs, the organism that obtain nutrients from another, ठीक है, डेड और डिकेइंग ऑर्गेनिक मैटर इज नोन एज सेप्रोट्रॉप्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फंगी एंड सम बैक्टीरिया. क्लियर? एग्जाम्पल ऑफ सेप्रोट्रॉप्स इज मशरूम. क्लियर? An example of parasite is cuscuta, orchids. Okay, in human body the example of parasites is lice. Clear? Bugs. So this is the answer. Now third question is given in your NCERT book. How would you test the presence of starch in leaf? This experiment you will perform. Clear? Now take two healthy green plotted plants of the same type. Keep one plotted plant in dark room for 2 to 3 days or in order to remove all the starch from the leaves. ठीक है? Keep the another plant in sunlight. Now take one leaf from each plot and put a few drops of iodine solution on them and then note down the observation. This experiment you will perform. Clear? Now answer will continue for question 3 only. Plants keep in dark, light or dark condition. What will happen? No blue black color will observe on the leaves of the plant, obviously, because in the leaves which is kept in the dark room, no blue black color will be observed because starch is absent. This indicate the absence of starch, and the blue black color will observe in the leaves which kept in sunlight. This indicate the presence of starch. This is the answer for question number 3. Now answer for question number 4. Give the brief description for the process of synthesis of food in green plants. This process is known as photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Clear? So let us find out the answer. Photosynthesis is defined as the process in which the chlorophyll containing plant cells synthesize food in the form of carbohydrate using carbon dioxide, water in the presence of solar energy and chlorophyll. Clear? This is the process. Let us continue. This diagram you will draw. Clear? Now this answer you will write down in your copy. Sources of raw material required for photosynthesis. Water is taken in the roots of the plant and is transported to the leaves. Carbon dioxide from the air enters the leaves through the tiny pores known as stomata. Clear? Containing chlorophyll. Solar energy is used to break water into hydrogen and oxygen, and hydrogen is combined with carbon dioxide to form food for the plants, which is ultimately used by animal as well. Photosynthesis reaction can be represented as CO2, water. It forms carbohydrate and oxygen in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Clear? Now fifth question is asked in your NCERT book. So with the help of sketch that plants are the ultimate source of food. You will draw the diagram for this. Clear? So this diagram you will draw in your copy. Clear? Carbon dioxide is taken in. Carbon dioxide present in atmosphere 0.03% taken by leaves. Clear? Chlorophyll is present in the leaves. Glucose is formed C6H12O6. Clear? And oxygen is released in the atmosphere. Now fill in the blanks is given in your NCERT book. Green plants are called autotrophs because they prepare their own food. Now food synthesized by the plant is stored as a starch. Clear? In photosynthesis, solar energy is captured by the pigment called what? Chlorophyll. Clear? Now during photosynthesis, plant will take in what? Carbon dioxide and releases oxygen. Clear? Now next question is given in your NCERT book. Name the following. Okay, first is a parasitic plant with yellow cylinder tubular stem is known as Cuscuta. Clear? Amarbale. Now a plant that has both autotrophic and heterotrophic mode of nutrition is known as pitcher plant. Clear? Pitcher plant. And the third one, the pore through which the leaves exchange gases is known as stomata. Clear? So this is the answer. Now take the following correct answer. Okay, first is given Amarbale is an example of autotrophs, parasites, saprotrophs and host. Amarbale is an example of parasite because it climb on the host body. Clear? Second, the plant which trap and feed on insect is known as what? Pitcher plant, which feeds on insect known as pitcher plant. It is also known as insectivorous. Clear? Insectivorous plants. Now match the column. Okay. Chlorophyll, leaf contain chlorophyll. Clear? Now nitrogen containing bacteria which synthesis nitrogen known as rhizobium. Amarbale is a parasite. Clear? Animal, pitcher plant, eaten up insect. Okay, and animals are heterotrophic in nature. Clear? Now let us solve true and false. Okay, first question is given carbon dioxide is released during photosynthesis. False, because oxygen is released during photosynthesis. Okay. Second, plant which synthesis their food themselves are called saprotrophs. No, they are known as autotrophs. Clear? The product of photosynthesis is not a protein. True. Clear? And solar energy is converted into chemical energy during photosynthesis. True. Okay, first one is false, second one is false, third one is true, and fourth one is true. Clear? First and second are false, third and fourth are true. Now question number 11. Which part of plants take in carbon dioxide from the air for photosynthesis? Obviously we know that stomata, because surface of leaves contain tiny pores known as stomata. Clear? It take carbon dioxide. It contain a guard cells which which help in the stomata opening. Clear? And carbon dioxide is taken in. So this is the answer is stomata. Now last question, choose the correct option from the following. Plants take carbon dioxide from the atmosphere mainly through their, we know that leaves is the part where the photosynthesis occur because it contain chlorophyll. So plants take carbon dioxide from the atmosphere mainly through leaves. लीव्स में स्टोमाटा प्रेजेंट होता है, ठीक है, एंड उसमें गार्ड सेल्स होते हैं जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को पास आउट करते हैं जिसमें टाइनी पोर्स में. क्लियर? तो लीव्स आंसर हो जाएगा, लीव्स. क्लियर?